Hi, I'm Rochelle Romans, and today I want to show you these fun acrylic U-pins. Now these are used in all kinds of hairstyles, but today I want to show you a low classic bun and how to use these to hold your hair up. Now, ladies tell me all the time that these acrylics are easy to use, they save them time, and these are very gentle on the hair when compared with a traditional elastic. If you have straight hair, you can make such a classic sleek bun and hold it all day. A tip: if you have straight hair and you'd like to have a little tousled, voluminous, textured look, go ahead and put your hair up just a little bit damp, and when you take it down, that's the effect you will get. So let me get started in this classic low bun. I think I'm going to go with this fun turquoise tortoiseshell design. So first, we're simply going to gather hair. If you want, take out a little bit of hair to frame your face, and then go ahead and gather your hair into a low bun. We'll gather our hair into that low bun. You're going to begin by holding it with your left hand, twisting it with your right. Twist it a good 2 or 3 times, and then just begin to coil it into a circle. Continue twisting and coiling your hair until you take up the entire length of your hair into your bun. Quick tip: go ahead and make sure those ends of your hair are nice and snugly tucked under your bun. Now I'll hold it with my left. With my right, I will use the U-pin. You can see this U-pin is curved. That's why we call it a U-pin. When we insert the U-pin, we like to put it up here in the 2 o'clock position on our head. We'll take just a little bit of that hair, and you can see the U-shaped curve is going against my hair, so that when I take the ends of that, make sure they're out slightly. Here, we will gently but firmly press the tips to our scalp. Gently but firmly keep them on the scalp as we flip the U-pin. Now, our U-pin is curved just like our scalp, so we don't feel it. Go ahead and gently push in the U-pin into the thickest, fattest part of your bun, and that's the technique of how to use the acrylic U-pin in a low bun. So simple, so easy, so secure. All right, at this time, you can go ahead and loosen up your hair anywhere you'd like to have just a little bit of volume, and go ahead and take out some, front hair. If you want to frame your face, you can make this as slick, sleek, or as voluminous as you would like. All right, I'm Rochelle Romans. I'll put the link below if you'd like to try out our acrylic U-pins. Have a blessed day.